We've gathered not just to cut a ribbon, but to mark the beginning of a brighter, cleaner, and more sustainable future for our business and the community. Today, we officially unveil a state-of-the-art solar installation that represents nearly 2 years of planning, collaboration, and hard work amongst the Millat Industries team, Melink solar team, and a variety of contractors.
Going back to our company's founding with my grandfather, technology has always been a core part of our business. But we ultimately chose solar to maintain our competitive position in the marketplace while still being great stewards of our natural resources. As a small, privately held company, our biggest advantage is the ability to think long-term and think big, and solar is a result of both of those approaches.
This represents 35% of the electricity required for our annual operations here at our MPP division. And over the lifetime of the project, we hope to offset nearly 5,400 tons of carbon, which is equivalent to offsetting 12 million miles of gasoline car use. Our customers, they're always seeking competitively priced machined and painted parts, and energy is one of our top 10 costs for this. Everything from CNC machines, conveyors, pumps, and HVAC units, lights, they all consume a great deal of energy. The installation of this advanced solar system allows us to immediately reduce our energy costs and mitigate risk of future cost increases. This further enhances our ability to be a competitive supplier for our customers.
One of the tenets of our mission statement is to empower our associates, and it's been absolutely awesome to see what the team working with Melink Solar has been able to accomplish.
1, 2, 3, yay!